Hey, it's Greg Jameson again, and I want to show you some little tricks that you can do with the settings of ChatGPT. So we can choose the model that we want, of course, up in the top. Uh, GPT 4 is the legacy model, but by default, when I just went to it, it's now at GPT 4.0, which is interesting that that is the default. It doesn't really matter which one we're going to use because what I want you to do is slide over to your image or the little settings icon, whichever you have in the upper right corner of your screen, and click on settings. Now, when you do this, there are a couple of things that I want you to be aware of. One is if you go to personalization, I've got memory turned on. This is the default, and you can clear out the memories, but you can also go and manage your memories. Basically, this is stuff that ChatGPT has learned that you have said. So, for example, yesterday I was asking for some help about the Aurora Chamber of Commerce and this year's award banquet, which is titled The Future of Business, which is all about AI. If I no longer want it to remember that, I can have it forget that. And you can clear things out. You can clear all your memories, or you can just clear a single memory like that. Now, another thing that you can do when you click on your little image icon that is new is this is still in beta is tasks. So you can see that I have created some tasks that say that I want to create a YouTube video and I want to generate a blog post. So these are things that I am having it build every single week. So I cleared out the chats or the tasks that I currently have. So when I go back to tasks, you can see that it says, gives you some examples, and one of the choices is try your own. So I might say something like, give me the latest news about AI every morning. Send a summary of that to my email address. And just goes ahead and it creates that. So now it has that as a task. If I go to tasks, it shows that. What's weird is that there is not a button to create a new task on this page. Uh, if you, however, go to new chat and say GPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks, then you can go ahead and create a new task doing that. So now if I go back to the tasks, you can see that I've got both of these tasks in there. So the way to create a new task after you've created an initial task is start a new chat, change it to GPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. And this way, ChatGPT will follow up with you at the frequency interval that you specify.